it's Living with Shana. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. In today's video, I'm going to tackle my very first 2022 home project, which is cleaning out my kitchen junk drawer. Yes, we all have that drawer, whether it's in the kitchen, the bathroom, the bedroom, the living room, the office, somewhere, somehow, there's always a drawer that just embraces anything that we don't want to let go of or anything that we do want to keep. It's just a love drawer. It's a love all drawer. That's how I call it. It has everything from soups to pens to glue to tape to anything you can think of, it's there, to paper. So today I'm going to try to reorganize this because I actually did attempt to organize this when we first moved in, but obviously these type of drawers you have to like check it once a year or so. If not, they're just gonna look a mess. So let's get started. So my junk drawer is actually located on my kitchen island, and this is what it looks like. In this drawer I have all sorts of things. I have tape. This is also where I leave my extra camera charger and stuff. Obviously this is where you have like lighters, scissors, anything. I have screwdriver here, papers, all types of papers, my recipe book as well, everything. Like, tell me why we have all these things just laying around here. We don't know why, but so first thing first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all of these items and I'm going to place it on my island. As you can see here, I initially try to organize it, but obviously you have to check it yearly. If you don't check it yearly, you're going to find yourself with things like this. So here is all that I found in my junk drawer. You have Sharpie, you have a stud finder, you have a can opener, you have tape, you have speakers. So I had gotten this planned label thing from the dollar store and I've been looking for it for a long time. This is why you clean your junk drawer, because there are things like this that are hidden there you don't know. I got a speaker there, batteries. Some of these things will go away and some will stay because I use them quite often. Like these kitchen scissors, I'm definitely going to be using them again. The stud finder, I might just find a different place to keep this. It might just stay in the kitchen for now, but these are things that don't really need to be in the kitchen. The can opener, obviously I'm going to use it for things like that. This is what I use when I open anything that I have to keep. I use these office clippers or paper clippers, if you want to call it, to kind of like clip it. I'm going to clean the drawer and I'm going to empty all of these single baskets. I got these from the dollar store initially, so I'm gonna have to clean some of them. Like this one is dirty. I'm gonna empty it. I literally have no idea what this is for. This is like a piece of, I think like a car, piece of something for your car. I have no idea what that is for. Let's go ahead and clean the drawer first, and then I'm going to rearrange this and then I'm going to put it back into the drawer. As you can see, I have this drawer liner. The very first thing I did before putting away our kitchen stuff was to line up all my drawers. I got these from the Home Depot. As you can see, when you remove these, like, your drawers are perfect. It's like no one ever used it. Perfectly clean. When you move out, all you have to do is just remove these and just maybe wipe it a little bit and you're good to go.
pace on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong.
So imagine I didn't have this. This would be in the drawer, as well as this writing. I don't even know how this writing got here, but yeah, imagine not having that. That's literally whatever you see on this top, you will find that in your drawer. So I would advise that anytime you move into a place that you put these drawer liners, they're very helpful. Okay, now let's put together all these items in order and throw away what we don't need and put it back into our drawer.
Move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming.
So I have my baskets here. I'm going to place them into the drawer, and here are all the things that were in my drawer. So let's get going. Let's put them together. As I put these into the drawer, you will notice that I will move around certain things. I will be placing them and trying to figure out how I want them to look in the drawer.
Red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight, follow those lines, we're making this time, blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight, oh yeah, we're making tonight,
all organized. I know exactly where things are, and I still have space, so if I was to ever add little beans, I do have space to do that. I might actually get another one of these type of beans, or maybe a few of these small ones, and just place them here, because I do have space here now. I can add whatever I want. My recipe book, and I do have here tapes, a little speaker that I had, measuring tapes. Usually you come here, you pull this, and you will not find measuring tape, knowing that there are two measuring tapes here, but you will never find them. Now you have the tapes, you can actually see them. The stud finder, and then here I have all my screwdrivers, like the ones that you can change the tops. All the pens are here in Sharpies and that kind of stuff. And then here I have my stamp and some random stuff, like I have an eraser. Ask me why I have an eraser in the kitchen, I don't know why, but things like that. And then the nail glue, obviously I put it there. I believe these are like pot holders, like if rubber bands that I use in the kitchen sometimes, and some wall pins. So that's what I have here. So I know exactly what is where. When I pull these drawers now, I don't have to worry about jamming. I used to have to like pull a little bit, and then it would just get stuck, and I'll put my hand and push down to open it, where there was not much in here. I mean, apart from the papers that I removed, I didn't throw away much. I only threw away the ketchup, and the papers that I had, I just took them on the other side. I took them somewhere else. But this is all I had here. I didn't even throw much away, and I'm very surprised that I still have that much space, and I still have much to do, much room to play with if I want to. So that's it, guys. Make sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button if you have not yet done so. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.